Okay, so we've encountered a bit of a mystery here. This is the packing ring I just took out, but there is already one in here. You can see there's a ring bolted on the other side there, and there's a packing ring in between it. So I don't think that's how it's supposed to be assembled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call up Axeman Anderson and ask them if they can tell me which way this goes, because that doesn't seem right. I would think the packing ring should ride against this surface of the auger. Let me give them a call, see what they say.